Hi everybody, I'm Robert, and you are watching Backyard Bodyworks. Today is, hold on, let me think. Today is Tuesday, right? It's the 26th of March, so I think that's Tuesday. When you're working nights and you go, I started work on this fender and removing the wheel well, and come to find out, there's the patch that was put on. It was just welded in place and then just left. Same thing down here, that that weld spot that's on the other side. It was just put over. I mean, there's just. Anywho, I'm not going to complain about somebody else's work. The only work that matters is mine. So I'm going to try and not complain so much about what somebody else has done and concentrate more on what I'm doing. I think you can tell just by looking at it that it was a botched repair. Anyway, although it does make me mad sometimes. So I removed the wheel well, and I have got them sitting over here. This one I've already straightened out the lip a little bit. I haven't ground on it or cleaned it up or anything like that. But just, this was the one that came out of the driver's side, and this is the one that I took out yesterday. And it's, as you can see, there's some major repair, well, minor repairs that need to be made to this to match this side. Along that lip, I'm gonna have to figure out how to make that lip right there. I've got to do the same thing on this side. But all in all, it seems to be in pretty good shape. Otherwise, it's just right where it meets the fender. I'm having, it's got some rusty issues on both sides. So I think it'll be easily repaired. I don't see a reason to buy new ones because that and they're really expensive. So I think that I can repair them relatively inexpensively. And I think this is going to be our first project on this part of the bonnet. This one here is pretty much chewed up. I think it's an easy repair, so I've got the only thing is I'm going to have to take the nuts off and weld them back on, which I've got. Sometimes it doesn't matter how careful you are, this happens. And you shear the bolt off just because it's so rusty. I think this is going to be our first project while we're waiting on parts for the bonnet. Before I get to the fender wells, I've just been messing with those, but this seems to be like it's going to be an easy repair. Now, when the fenders get here, this lip right here, what I'll probably do is just end up cutting the fender off with my cutting wheel and just cut it right along there so that I can preserve this lip. And then once I've got the fender out of the way, I'll probably drill the spot welds out of here. But I'm concerned about this right here. So before I take this lip off, the bottom part of the fender off, I'm gonna make templates of this because it's got a flange, a whited flange right here, because I've got to make that on this side where it's missing. And so, I'd probably get it off the other fender when they get here, but I want to make sure that they're as close as possible. So I want to take it off of that side and just mirror it and fix it here. Now, second thing along with the bonnet support is this piece right here. On this side, doesn't look too bad, but on this side, of course, this is so is that the driver's side? No, it's the passenger side. And as you can see, it's kind of eaten out, so we'll probably cut that out and replace that. I think it looks good, but it's it's not a bad piece, so I'm not going to buy one. I'm just going to repair it. And the metal seems to be in good shape, so we'll do that. Continue to watch, and thanks for tuning in, and we'll get started on the rest of the work that we need to do. edge there. Not so nice edge there. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut right here next to this hole. There's a lot of rust here on both sides there and up underneath here. And I think we're just going to cut that end off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this side as a template, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this end off, and then take this and use it as a template to cut a new piece off. And we'll just weld it right in. I think that'll do it. Of course, what I'm thinking I might do is I might cut up and over and down to give me an overlap, like a lip, to weld this way, and weld this way, so it's not just a straight weld across. I think it would be stronger. At least that's what they told us in schools, that you get a stronger weld if you have, you don't have straight lines. And it looks like that I can cut the rust off here, cut through here, and then cut the rust off there, and that looks good. And then just grind that edge to make the curve. And I don't think I'm going to need to stretch it, make the curve. It's got a slight curve into it. I think that I think I'll be able to match the curve by just working the metal slightly, not a lot. And this piece will be good as new. So this is the piece that we're going to be working on next, before we get to the wheel wells and all that other stuff. So continue to stick close with us, and I'm going to pack it in for today. We'll start again on another day, because I got to go get ready to work. It's almost 5:30, and I got to be to work at 7. So this has been a good little start for this project, and we'll continue on. So continue to watch. Hey everybody, today is day 2. This is the last day that I'm working, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut out that little square right there, and we are going to bend it into the shape that we want to do. So follow along, and we will take you on that journey. we got it done. Tell me what you think. There's the unrepaired side. And there's the repaired side. This is probably a better comparison. This is the piece we removed right here. So you can see just how much of the metal had been eaten away by rust. And there it is. There's the repair. Not too bad for my first weld and first weld repair in many years. Still needs a little bit of finishing work, but I think we can call that repair finished as far as the welding part of it is concerned. Now, the welding, of course, is not done because we've got way more to do on the car than just this. But I think it's a good start for the project, and it makes me very excited and very happy to get started with others. So stay tuned for our next episode where we work on the cross member support, trying to get this piece replaced. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to tackle that yet. Seeing as how I've got to overnight think about it, I'm going to take some pictures of it, and while I'm at lunch tonight, I'm going to study it and write some notes down, make a plan, and see about repairing that. But other than that, I think we're to a good start. We'll see how it goes. That concludes today's video. Thanks so much for watching. We got a lot done today. We got the cross-member flange that repaired, and we're going to start work on the cross-member tube and the attachment flange that's all rusted out. If you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe below. If you want to get notified every time we upload a video, either this project or another project that we're working on, ring the bell and that'll alert you every time we upload a video. You guys take care. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a great day. See you next time. Bye.